Football Club Barcelona's Camp Nou Stadium and the Sagrada Família could become two of the most iconic vaccination centres in a latter stage of the scheme. So far, just 1.5% of the population has been fully inoculated. This is Catalan news in 100 seconds. The Catalan government wants to inspire the general public to get vaccinated when it's their turn. As such, they will propose emblematic sites such as the Camp Nou and Sagrada Família to act as vaccination centres in the third phase of the scheme. The Catalan National Art Museum could also be selected. Spain surpassed 3 million COVID-19 declared cases today. This means roughly 6% of the country's 47 million inhabitants. This comes as new transmissions continue to decrease steadily, in Catalonia as well, with the transmission rate down from 1.44 to 0.84 in a month. Several unions in the health sector are calling for a strike on March 10th. They say that due to the pandemic, their working conditions have turned from precarious to critical. They urge for the public's support. Most parties committed to adopting a law on social rents for vulnerable communities after Spain's judiciary revoked a decree addressing the issue. Housing and security on the streets were focal points of the campaign today.
Arribar a aquest 15% d'habitatge públic que vol dir controlar el tema dels lloguers, que vol dir ser proactiu amb les polítiques d'habitatge i no deixar que sigui el mercat qui ho regula.
Las políticas de la Generalitat en los últimos años y las políticas del Ayuntamiento de Barcelona han degradado la seguridad en nuestros barrios y han generado la impunidad más absoluta para los delincuentes.
Around 200 artists, including Joan Manuel Serrat and Pedro Almodóvar, reject the conviction of rapper Pablo Hasél for lyrics and tweets. Barcelona's local council came under fire for removing a mural in support of the musician.
L'Ajuntament de Barcelona recentment ha esborrat un mural de solidaritat, de suport al company Pablo Hasél.
And that's all we have for today, but be sure to stick with Catalan News for full updates on Hasél's approaching imprisonment, the last days of the Catalan election campaign, and the progression of the pandemic almost a year on after the first case was detected here.